What do you think of all this? How do you make a snow? You take the snow and you squish it in your hands.
Hey, Mom, can you make a snowball with your hands?
I was worried you were going to ask that. Sure.
Nice! Look at that! Woo! Look at the roof! Oh my god! I love it! Beautiful!
Good evening, this is Jeff Stevenson reporting to you live here in Las Vegas, here early in the morning. I'm here live reporting. This is incredible. I'm here with one of my best buddies here, Bishop. Yes, Bishop here is witnessing what we are all witnessing here. Snowflakes, big, wide, heavy-looking snowflakes coming from the skies of Las Vegas. My golly, who would have ever imagined here, folks? Look at these flakes. Look at this. This is looking like a bunch of dandruff dripping from the skies. That was probably a horrible, nasty analogy, but I used it anyway. Unbelievable. Here reporting to you live.
$40 loan center where you can get a signature installment loan up to